Good morning, Sai.
Good morning.
Are you happy? Finished your FA1? Can you give your oral test now? Very good. Now read that flowers.
Rose,
Ah.
lotus,
Hmm.
marigold,
Hmm.
sunflower,
Hmm.
daisy,
Hmm.
hibiscus,
Hmm.
pansy,
Hmm.
magnolia,
Hmm.
velwinkle.
Good job. Now you have learned 3 English rhymes. No. First rhyme is a lamp. Say that.
Look at the, look at the, look at the,
Look at the moon.
look at the moon. It's hung up there. Oh, mother have let it look just like a lamp in the air.
So sweet. Next rainbow.
Look at the Betty rainbow. It has 7 colors. Do you know? Lovely green, red and yellow. Very violet, indigo blue, and they bright orange too.
Great job. To and fro.
Betty,
To and fro.
tippy 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 to, let us go. Tippy 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 to, let us go. Tippy 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 to, let us go. Tippy 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 to and fro. Tippy 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 to, tippy 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 to, through the house. Tippy 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 to, soft as a mouse.
Good job. Now Telugu letters. A to Ru. A.
Amma,
Mm.
a, avu,
Mm.
I, illu,
Mm.
I, iga,
Mm.
u, uta,
Mm.
I,
Ooh.
u, uta, u,
Uyala.
uyala,
Mm.
lu,
Mm.
rusi.
Very good. Next Telugu పద్యాలు. You have learned 3 Telugu పద్యాలు. First one is శ్రద్ధ లేని ఎడల.
పెట్టలేనిదరా
Mm.
చదువు సాగు లావు
Mm.
పెద్ద ఉన్న లాని చదువు లేదు
Mm.
పెద్ద కలికి లేని
Mm.
చెట్ల మండల అట్ల
Mm.
సాధ్యమగు
Mm.
తెలుగు బిడ్డ
Good job. తన కోపమే.
తన కోపమే తన చెట్లు తన శాంతం తనకు లక్ష దయచుతమవు తన సంతోషమే స్వర్గం తన దుఃఖమే వెల్కమందు తదేం శుద్ధి
నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ కష్టపెట్టబోకు.
కష్టపెట్ట మోకు తల్లి మనసు కష్టపెట్ట మోకు నాన్న పనులు కలిలన్న దైవసని బూల్ల
లలిత.
నలుసుకుని జాల తెలుగు బాల
వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ స్పానిష్ నంబర్స్. 1
1 1 2
Two.
2 3 ప్లస్ 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10
Great job. Wonderful. Colors now. Red,
logo
blue,
full
green,
red
black,
negro
white,
blanco
yellow,
amarillo
pink.
rosado
Very good. Grey,
gris
orange,
naranja
brown.
brown maroon
Very good. Now fruits. Apple,
la manzana
mango,
el mango
pomegranate,
pomegranate la
pomegranate.
granada
Very good. Pineapple.
pineapple
Hmm.
la
La.
pizza
Very good. Banana. Look at me. Banana.
el plátano
Very good. Watermelon.
watermelon la sandía
Very good. Grapes.
grape las uvas
Very good. Cherries.
las cerezas
Great job. Pear.
pera
Ah.
la pera
Guava.
guavana la goyaba
Goyaba. And GK questions. You need to answer GK questions, right? Get ready and come for that. Okay? Clap yourself. You have done a wonderful job.